Hi, everyone. I'm Nina Polshkova. I'm the host for the 133 release team meeting today. Today is March 24th, and we are in week 11 of the release cycle. Please be aware that this is a Kubernetes community meeting, which falls under the Kubernetes Code of Conduct, which can be summarized as be excellent to one another. So with that, let's get started. This meeting is recorded and it will be publicly posted to YouTube, so please be mindful of what you say is being recorded. So we're going to start with the open discussion items. Is there anything in open discussion we want to discuss? Anything we want to add before moving on to the updates? Okay, if you're just joining, please add your name to the attendees list. And we'll start with the team updates with enhancements. Is there someone from enhancements to give the update?
I don't think Depeche is on the call, so I can just give the update. So we had the code freeze late last week, and now we have after that we have a total of 58 KEPs that are still tracked. We had 4 exception requests, and they've all been approved. So yeah, these are the exception requests down there. Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, we're green.
Great. Any questions for enhancements? All right, let's move on to release signal. Is anyone from release signal here to give an update?
Yes, Nina.
Mhm.
Hi, this is Raji. The current status from Ready Signal is yellow. So the master informing dashboard had one failing test from CAPZ Windows Master. This was related to SIG Windows. The issue was from the Linux only test, which assert and which we're supposed to skip on Windows, and we have a PR which is already addressed this. So this is yet to merge. And there was another failing test from EC2 master scale performance job, which is related to SIG scalability. The PR was filed, and even after merge, the test grid has not fully recovered and it has moved to flaky from constant failure. So we suppose we need to monitor it further and update the PR owner about its status. And we have few test migration suggestions. We were suggested to promote the slow test on master informing to the master informing dashboard, and the PR was merged today morning, so probably this should be there as part of master informing now. And then also promoting the Windows unit test CI job to master informing. There was a mail list sent out for that. And there were 3 job suggestions to promote to release master blocking from master informing. They were namely kind alpha, beta, and alpha features and beta features. That is temporarily kept on hold. The discussion was shifted to another tagging issue. So as of now, the last item is on hold. And coming to the bug triage board, the query to non-test issues gives us 5 as the result, and open PRs in repo is 10, out of which 1 is critical urgent, which is related to the above failing test. And the priority important soon label are for 4 PRs. And the query for all issues, including the tests, is 5, same as the above number. Yeah, that's all updates from Release Signal.
Okay, thank you, release signal. Any questions? All right, let's move on to docs. Anyone from docs here to give an update?
Hi, I'll be giving the docs update today. So the current status for docs is green. The branching PR was opened 3 days ago, and it is open right now. The version 1.33 beta.0 release notes PR is now merged. And we have also sent out reminders about the PRs ready for review deadline to all the CAPs that had the tracked status. So that is the update for docs, if you have any questions.
Yep, thank you, docs. Anyone have any questions? All right, let's move on to comms. Anyone from comms here to give an update?
Hi, this is Ryota. So our status is green, and you can find the progress as usual in the ticket 2718. So feature blogs, we had 20 feature blogs in the previous week, and following the code freeze, I think 2 dropped. So we are currently tracking 18. And a few of them have already some write-ups, so I think we are in a good start, but we'll be monitoring a little bit more closely on that. For the release highlights, the target deadline is tomorrow. And I think we have got some sort of response, maybe half of the SIGs, a few highlights in the discussion ticket, and half of the SIGs have not responded yet. So we are giving final reminders now and today, and also we'll be monitoring a little bit more closely on any updates from the SIGs. And I have also posted in the chairs and tech leads channel. So if there is any updates, or if there is a delay, we might want to chase up a little bit more. We started to chase not just the SIG channels, but also started measuring the tech leads. So hopefully we get more updates from all the SIGs. And for the mid-cycle sneak peek, so the blog is finalized and is ready to be published. Everything is in place in the website's repository, but the publish date has been pushed by 2 days. There was a bit of a conflict with other announcement that had to take place on today, essentially. So we delayed that mid-cycle sneak peek blog by 2 days, and it will be released on Wednesday. I think it was set to 10 a.m. Pacific time. And I think that's it for us.
Great. Any questions for comms? All right, then let's move on to branch management. Matteo, do you want to give this update?
Yeah, nothing much. It's going all good now, and the next cut will be after KubeCon, so we have some time to relax, maybe. Not me, though.
Great. Yeah, I have to prep for those KubeCon talks.
Yeah.
Angelos, is Angelos on the call?
Yep. Hello. Basically, no updates for me. Here for any questions or help, if I can help.
Updating. Cool. Okay. Any questions for the emeritus advisor?
I think I would need some help pushing for the SIG, the release highlights updates from the SIGs. So I'll be contacting you with a list of the SIGs that have not responded yet. So yeah, we'll reach out in a bit.
Please share it with Kat too,
Yeah, we'll do.
Exactly.
because she's very good at doing that.
All right, we'll
Yes.
do. Thanks.
Any other questions? Okay, well, release lead. So welcome to the first burn down meeting. Burn down meetings start this week. Like I mentioned at the beginning of the meeting, the first APAC one will be on Friday, and the structure is the same as regular Wednesday meetings. If you don't have any updates, you can copy the previous week's update and slightly change it as needed. All meetings will actually be async for next week. So starting next Monday to the following Monday, we're going to have a async update in the Slack thread in SIG Release. So I've included an example. You just need a team member to respond with your team status and any relevant updates that we should be aware of. And my last update is it's week 11, so sub-team leads start thinking about succession plans. It's right around the corner, so you should start, the ball rolling there. Cool. Does anyone have any questions for me?
Not question, but I added 2 milestones to some PRs. You might want to check the threads for the exceptions.
Yes, I think I saw one of them.
Yeah.
Yeah, we only have I think 4 exceptions. So I will go through all of them, just sanity check.
Yeah, because
So one of them was
that
filling
blocks the merge. So
Yeah.
and some people they don't know that that's blocking the merge. So
Yep. I think as long as they have an approval before the exception deadline, it should be good. But
yeah.
All right, any other questions?
One is already approved, and both are actually both approved already. So
I think 2 had a deadline of today. So another one I think is Wednesday. So
yeah.
All right, any other questions about exceptions, about release cycle? All right, well, I'm gonna stop the recording then.